guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you are new here, what's up? I hope you stick around and subscribe. So today's gonna be, I know, another salad recipe, but this is a salad that I only started doing, but it's like such a basic salad that I'm like, I don't know how I didn't do this before. This is going to be the bougiest basic restaurant salad ever. So I feel like it's a very typical salad that you would get, like a chopped or like a Cobb salad from like any restaurant basically, but I'm gonna show you guys how to make it at home. I feel like it's gonna be a crowd pleaser, so if you're like entertaining or if you have someone come over, this is a good salad to make because it has like ingredients that I feel like everybody likes. Tomatoes, maybe not. I feel like a lot of people weirdly don't like tomatoes. But I feel like this is a very easy salad to do. It's a crowd pleaser, restaurant style salad, but we're gonna make it slightly bougie because you guys know how I do my life. And yeah, it's super easy too. Not too many ingredients. You know I don't usually use salad dressings in my salad, but today we're doing it because I got these and this one is so good and it just like elevates the salad. It's so good. So it's the Kraft roasted garlic vinaigrette is what we're gonna be using as the salad dressing today. It's so good. Let me see if I can actually eat this. Carbs, 1 gram. Total sugars, less than 1 gram. So I can actually eat this. I got sent this and it is so good. So I have this one to use. This is what I definitely highly recommend for this recipe, but I also got sent this one in the sweet raspberry. I'm scared to try it with this recipe, but I feel like of all of my salad dressings, this is the one to eat this salad dressing with. But I'm really scared to try it. It's still wrapped up. First thing that you're gonna need obviously is your salad dressing. Now it's the garlic about that one that makes it so good. So I recommend just like a garlic salad dressing, or you can add your own fresh garlic in and just use olive oil, which you guys know is what I typically do for a salad dressing. But then for our lettuce today, like I said, it's gonna be a basic type of salad. So pretty simple beginner salad. We are using romaine hearts today. Romaine hearts, it's a little slightly darker leafy green, which you guys know I'm all about. So that's gonna be our base. And then we're gonna be using bacon bits. I'm just using these. Obviously you can definitely use real bacon, but you guys know I'm moving, so I'm not cooking bacon right now. So I got these, but this is like one of the main ingredients that makes this like crowd pleaser, bougie restaurant need. Definitely a need. The other need to make this bougie version is feta cheese. Now, I mentioned this in my grocery haul that I got this one. I didn't know how to like use it at first because it's still in the brine, like in the liquid, but I've been doing a good job with them. It's very good. This is from Aldi. It's super good. So you're gonna need this. You can also use like the regular mixture of cheeses, like the 3 cheese mix. I don't know, I have a bag. You can always use regular cheese instead of feta. There we go. Regular cheese, or like, you know how they have all these different mixes? But that's basic. We're trying to be bougie here. Bougie restaurant style. So I say go with feta. I know not everyone likes feta. And then you're gonna need some tomatoes. I'm just using the rest of my tomatoes. It's gonna be a sad day when I have no tomatoes left. But we're using the rest of the tomatoes. And a red onion that I have in this cup, and it's gonna permanently make this cup and everything I put in it from now on probably taste like onions, but moving. Red onion. Oh my gosh, I forgot something. And star of the show too is you're gonna need some coleslaw mix. So I'm just adding this brand new bag because I need to kind of eat this stuff up. So this needs to get eaten now. You're gonna need this, and this has like so much mixed in stuff, cabbage and the carrots, that just makes it like restaurant-y style. It's good. Obviously, you're gonna need your bowl or plate, whatever you're putting it in. I'm putting it in this bowl, but it just looks cute. These are, you know, the ones from Target that we love. Cutting board, obviously. And a knife so that you can chop everything up because you guys know I love a chopped salad. All right, so we're gonna chop everything up. So I'm gonna wash my hands. So I'm gonna start off with the lettuce. I'm gonna have to rinse this off though. And I meant to, oh my gosh, I needed to put my coffee on. It's like stuck in the bag. Can't get it out. How many is in here? Oh, 3. I'm grabbing 2. I can't get them out. They don't want to get eaten. There we go. Don't like the tops of some of these. Alright, so I'm sorry if you can hear the stove, but I've got my coffee on. Alright, so I'm just gonna pick a good amount of lettuce from here because I'm starving. So I kind of want a lot, and this is so dirty. I'm really gonna want to clean this off. This is why you clean your veggies, guys, because that's all dirt. I kind of want some of these inner ones. Oh my gosh, there's so much dirt in here. At least it's not bugs, it's just dirt. I kind of actually think I could eat this whole thing. We're just gonna eat the whole thing, but I'm gonna rinse my lettuce. And I'm sorry, I know it's super messy in here. I'm gonna try to shake off as much of this water as I possibly can. If I had paper towels, this would probably be easier, but you guys know I don't get paper towels. Okay, now we just got a ton of lettuce here. We're just gonna chop it all up. And you guys probably already know this, but I like to chop up my lettuce pretty small because I like an actual chopped salad. Like if I could eat my salad with a spoon, life is good.
Piece I want.
I'm gonna try to go long ways a little bit. Really chop it up. I kind of bunch it all together like that, kind of. Like really get it nice and chopped. I'm about to drop everything. There we go. And then we're just gonna pour all of this into our bowl. I wish I had paper towels right now so that I could like dry all of this off, but it's okay. I definitely recommend if you're gonna be like pre-making this for like later on or for meal prep, definitely dry the lettuce, otherwise it will go bad. You guys know I like adding in the stuff that I can just throw in first. I'm gonna add a good amount of coleslaw mix. Oops. I kind of want this to look somewhat pretty, but now tossing in my bacon bits. And I love bacon bits, so I'm gonna add a lot. Now time for the chopped up veggies. So I'm gonna rinse off my tomatoes. Now for the feta, it's gonna look crazy because I still have it in the brine, but you can get it dried out. I heard though that it's better this way. It's literally in the liquid. Disgusting. Kind of gross. But so I'm gonna rinse off my knife and then just like break off a little chunk from in here. There's my coffee. And again, I'm on keto, so I like a lot of cheese, and plus this adds so much flavor. So like there's a good chunk, and you just rinse it in water, and then it's gonna dry out by itself basically. So I rinse it in really cold water. There's that, there's another piece in here. I'm gonna grab that out. Now the onion. Oh, coffee is terminado. All right, onion, and I kind of like a lot of onion. I'm trying not to cut myself. No, here. So that's like a good thickums amount of onion. I love onion. But we're also gonna chop it up pretty small, so it's gonna be like thick pieces, so it's good. Put some stuff back, eat a cotton candy grape. Oh, it has sound on it. Whoa. So far, that's what we got right here. We're gonna chop all that together. We got the salad here. We got the yum salad dressing just waiting. And then we chop everything up. Like I said, I chop everything up pretty small. Now, while I chop all of this up, you can also add a few other ingredients that I thought would be pretty good in this too, but I feel like these few Few ingredients, keep it super simple, easy, and fast if it's just for you. And these are like all ingredients that I feel like are pretty basic ingredients that a lot of people do like and that they will eat a salad if it has it in it, you know what I mean? But you can also add in, what are those olives? Those like red, purplish looking olives that are usually in like Mediterranean type salads. That would definitely be good in this as well. There was something else. Now I can't think of the other things. I will figure it out and I will include it in the video here, the other ingredients that I think would also be good in this recipe. I just like to keep it simple, fast, easy, and then crowd pleaser if you're having a lot of people eat it, or anyone else other than you eat it. Maybe someone who doesn't even really like salads, you know. This is the best way to go. Right, and then we're just gonna push all of this on into the salad. There it is, all chopped up and nice, yum. And so I'm gonna try to put this on my salad nicely, but usually that doesn't really happen for me, so. And shockingly, I like do not add anything else to this salad as far as like seasonings or anything when I'm using this guy, because I think it's perfect. The flavor is so good. Also though, if you're adding just garlic, fresh garlic, or even from like a little can thingy, and olive oil, I would maybe add a little bit of seasonings, but I feel like you still wouldn't really need to because like all this stuff mixed together is just so good. But that's up to you, preference. I'm too scared to try the other one today. This one. And I put like a good amount. Did I shake this up well? Okay, now it definitely doesn't look as appetizing because it looks slightly soggy, but so good. And now we eat it. I don't have a spoon down here. I mean, I have these sad spoons that are gonna make it very hard to eat this right now. Oh my gosh, I can't even mix it with this. Oh my gosh. I feel like this tastes like the Italian dressing from like Subway. It might be that one. I haven't had that in years. Okay, I'm trying to get a little bit of everything. I feel like this is how it feels to eat like Chipotle bowls. The bacon. It's over. When you get a bite of the bacon, it's done with. Gosh, I can't get it all. These are pimple patches, so don't mind it. Okay, if I had a better spoon, a larger spoon, this would be lovely. And I only have forks like this too, so they're gonna bend. It's just like mukbang situation. Maybe I'll start doing mukbangs. I don't know what I would talk about though. Like right now, the only thing I can focus on is how good this tastes and the fact that I really want to make my coffee, but I want to eat. But I'm gonna make my coffee. I can't get everything on this spoon. And it's so crunchy. Croutons. That was one of the things for sure I was thinking you could add in. Croutons, those olives. I feel like there's one other thing now, I can't think of it. Okay. I gotta go shuffle it. So that is everything for this super bougie basic restaurant salad. It's got the longest name ever because that's what it is. I don't know why I didn't think of this salad before, this mixture of salad before, but it's so good. It's like my go-to right now, especially with the salad dressing. It's so good. So good. So comment your thoughts below. Let me know if you guys are gonna try this out or if you've tried out any of my salads, or let me know your favorite combo of salad. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Oh my god, I just like stumbled over my words. If you enjoy seeing what I eat, maybe I'll do a full what I eat in a day video. But yeah. Muchísimas gracias for watching este video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.